Together with the European Parliament and the Council, EU commissioners work on proposing rules and policies affecting the lives of nearly 450 million Europeans, from cleaner air to workplace rights. Members of the European Parliament, who you elected, play a key role in ensuring that the commissioners designated by EU countries are the best qualified for the job. This happens in commissioner confirmation hearings, where members put detailed questions to the designated commissioners to verify their capabilities in the area of their proposed portfolios. Let's have a look at how this unfolds. After the European elections, the European Parliament votes for the Commission President.
With the President-elect's agreement, the Council of the European Union, representing the governments of EU countries, nominates a list of commissioners.
Each EU country gets one post. Next comes Parliament's assessment of each commissioner designate. First, they must go through a check of financial interests, followed by a commissioner confirmation hearing. The hearings are run by Parliament's committees dealing with the specific topics the candidates would work on if elected. Parliament's rules encourage a lively debate and enable members to examine the candidates' competence and independence, their knowledge of and vision for their proposed portfolios. The hearings are public. You can watch them live online and find out more on Parliament's website.
After each hearing, the chair and coordinators of each committee evaluate whether the commissioner-designate is qualified. They can, and have previously, rejected candidates over concerns about suitability for the portfolio or conflicts of interest. In such cases, a new candidate is proposed who will have to go through the same procedure.
Once candidates for all commissioner posts get a green light, Parliament debates, then votes on whether to approve or reject the entire College of Commissioners, that is, the Commission as a whole. This is how the European Parliament has a key say in the approval of the new European Commission.